Operators are special symbols or keywords that perform operations on one or more operands. The C# language provides a variety of operators supported by built-in types, enabling efficient and readable code. These operators are categorized based on the type of operation they perform. Arithmetic operators handle basic mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with numeric values. Comparison operators compare numeric operands and return a Boolean result indicating their relationship. They include equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Boolean logical operators perform logical operations with bool values, such as true or false. Common logical operators include and, or, and not. Equality operators check whether two values are equal or not, helping in condition evaluations and control flow decisions. The most common equality operators are equal to and not equal to. These operators assist in condition evaluations and control flow decisions. C# also offers other types of operators for special operations, such as bitwise operators, which involve operations on binary representations of integers. However, these are not covered in this course.